If your portable AC stopped working and FT appeared on the screen, your machine thinks it's about to flood your room. This isn't a mechanical error, it's a safety lockout. And the fix is actually simple. Your AC pulls warm air in from your space, and moisture condenses it into water, which is then stored in the internal reservoir. That code is your unit communicating that the reservoir is full and can no longer store the moisture it is pulling from your room. You need to start by locating the drain plug at the bottom rear of the unit. If you are running an LG or TCL unit, you will see two different plugs. You want the lower one for this specific task. Whatever you do, don't yank the stopper and hope for the best. These units hold a surprisingly large amount of water, so get a drip tray and place it under the outlet. I've seen people stain their carpet by skipping this simple step. That water isn't clean. It can come out brown or rusty from algae and mineral buildup. Now, once you're set up, pop the stopper and let your unit drain completely. You may also need to tilt the unit slightly backward at about a 45-degree angle to force that last bit of water out of the port. Once the flow stops, secure the plug, close the drain cap, reconnect to the power, and restart. The error should be gone. If it's still there, you're likely dealing with mineral crust or debris keeping the sensor stuck in the up position. This is common in regions with hard water. Unplug the AC for about 10 minutes and then locate the sensor. On GE units, look in the top of the water catch area for a small sensor. On Frigidaire and Honeywell units, check inside the tank area for a plastic float component. Try pushing it down with your finger or a small tool to free it. And use a light touch. If you go in there like you're arm wrestling, you'll snap the sensor and graduate from fixing an FT error to shopping for a replacement part. Some technicians also recommend lifting the unit above a 1/4 inch off the ground and letting it drop to jar the float loose. Just don't get aggressive. Portable ACs aren't designed for sudden impacts, and a hard drop can damage the compressor. After freeing the sensor, you also need to clean any debris or residue. Mix equal parts of mild detergent or white vinegar with water. Dip a soft cloth into the solution and wipe down the float and the area around it. For those stubborn debris, use a stiff brush. Rinse the area with clean water to remove any leftover residue, then dry the float with a towel. Plug back the unit and restart. If the error doesn't clear, this is the point where you need a technician.